Is your Ninja Slushie beeping once every minute, with the lights on top flashing in a downward spiral? That's the machine warning you. Your mix doesn't have enough sugar to freeze properly. Here's how to fix it fast so you can get back to slush mode. Step 1. Check your ingredients. The most common cause is a sugar-free or low-sugar mix. Diet sodas, unsweetened juices, or zero-calorie blends might taste sweet, but they lack the real sugar your slushie needs to operate. The machine requires at least 4% sugar content to freeze properly. Step 2. Add a sugar-based ingredient to fix the mix. Stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of one of the following: simple syrup, honey, maple syrup, agave, fruit juice concentrate, or a low-calorie option like allulose. Mix it thoroughly so the sugar is evenly distributed. Step 3. Reset and restart the cycle. Press the preset button once to cancel the alert. Then press it again to start a fresh cycle. The machine will attempt to freeze the updated mix. If the beeping stops and the lights return to normal, you're good. Still getting alerts? Add a little more sweetener or switch to a better mix next time. If this helped you beat the beep, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for quick appliance guides that actually work. And if you want consistent results every time, we've linked a digital kitchen scale below that makes measuring your mix way easier. Thanks for watching, and swirl sweet.